Alright, so let's look at our second example. It is really, really small. I know. I traced it. And so, I'm not really an artist, but it was hard for you to see on camera, so I blew it up. So please have forgiveness for the imperfections, but the scale is going to be the same. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is figure out where box 1 is going to be. And it doesn't matter which box you decide is box 1. I easily see this line right here to finish that line from the ground to the sky. And so I'm going to color all of this in. As my box 1. Okay? Because it's like a rectangular prism, and then you have a second rectangular prism. So now I'm going to take my second color, and I'm going to color in my second box. So now I have 2 separate rectangular prisms that I have to find the volume for. So let's get to our number crunching part. So I'm going to slide this up just a little bit. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put box 1. Alright, so I'm going to go with box 1. I'm going to go from left to right first. Left to right is 3 centimeters. So I'm going to come here and put 3 centimeters times the front of your shape is always going to be the part where the 2 lines connect or touch. The 2 shapes touch, the front to the back, and in this case it's 4 centimeters. And now I need to know how tall it is from the bottom of the top. And again, they don't tell us this line, so we're going to have to figure it out. The orange shape is 6 centimeters to the stopping point, but then it keeps going. So then we have to add this little piece on, which is 3. So 6 plus the 3. So for the whole line, it's going to be 9. And so I know 12 centimeters. And I know my 12 facts pretty well. So I know that's going to give me 108 centimeters cubed. And that's just for my orange box. But now I have to do it again for my yellow box. And I'm going to put it over here on the left because at the end we have to add it together. So, box 2. So, we need to go left to right. Again, from left to right, this whole thing is 10. So, the yellow length can't be 10 because as you see, it doesn't go all the way to the end. So, we got to figure out what that is. Well, if we look right here, it tells me that the orange part is 3. So, if we started with 10 and the orange took away 3 of that, then the length from left to right of this piece would be 7 centimeters times from the point where the 2 boxes meet to the back, that tells me how deep it is, it's going to be 4 centimeters. And then from the ground of the yellow box to the sky of the yellow box, it already gives me that friendly number, and that's 3 centimeters. So now, with that evidence, and please don't forget your units like me, like I just did. I'm going to look for the friendly number, and I have a multiple of 12 again. So I'm just going to put 12 centimeters times 7. And I know that 12 centimeters times 7 centimeters is going to give me 84 centimeters. And hopefully you knew that too, because reflex math will get us wherever we need with our facts. Alright, so I'm going to come over here, and the last step is I have to put the orange volume and the yellow volume together, because we want to know the total volume, not just the volume of each little piece. So I'm going to get 108 centimeters cubed plus 84 centimeters cubed. I'm going to bring my centimeters cubed down. And now I'm just going to add 8 plus 4 is 12. Make a new 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. So my final answer is 192 centimeters cubed. Now when you get ready to do your practice example in a moment, I'm going to redraw it nice and big for you. But I would pause the video when it's time to draw it so that you don't waste a lot of time. But if you can see the boxes easily, hopefully this makes it a lot easier. Bye guys.